Welcome to Wolfie's World, where learning English meets superhero fun. Get ready to power up your grammar, speaking, and confidence, one heroic lesson at a time. Today, we're learning how to use the word can to talk about what someone is able or unable to do. Today, we're talking about a powerful and easy word in English, can. It helps you express what you or others are able to do. And the best part, it stays the same for everyone. I can, you can, we can. Even Wolfie can. Now think, what can you do? Turn to someone next to you and share your own can sentence. Let's explore how to build sentences using the word can. The structure is simple. Subject plus can plus base verb. Like, I can swim, he can climb walls, or they can fly. The best part? Can never changes. No matter who the subject is. That makes it one of the easiest tools in your English Hero Kit. Take a moment to think, what can you do? Let's talk about the negative form of can, which is can't. The structure is simple. Subject plus can't plus base verb. It shows what someone is not able to do. For example, I can't fly. She can't lift the car. They can't see in the dark. Can't just means cannot. It's how we express limits, easy to use, and just as powerful. Let's explore how to ask questions with can. The structure is simple. Can plus subject plus base verb. Like, can you run fast? Or, can he stop the villain? To answer, just say, yes, I can, or no, I can't. It's a clear and easy way to talk about abilities. Now think, what questions can you ask your friends using can? Let's get ready to practice. All right, heroes, let's jump into some quick practice. Can you run fast? Can your hero fly? Can you help others? Can you speak another language? Can you draw your superhero? Think about your answers. Yes, I can, or no, I can't. These simple questions help you discover your strengths. Keep practicing, and you'll be speaking like a hero in no time. Great job, heroes! You've learned how to use can to talk about your powers and abilities. Now it's your turn. Drop a comment and tell us what your superhero can do. Let's see those creative answers. If you liked this lesson, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell so you never miss your next hero mission. You did it, hero! Keep practicing and keep shining. Thanks for watching Wolfie's World. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your superhero question in the comments. We'll see you in the next mission.